Hello everybody, welcome once again to my channel. This is Stella's Secret Place. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I make my native traditional soup. Let me just call it traditional soup, and it is called Egusi soup, but the process I'm going to use is completely different from what I usually see. So over here I have my meat, is already cooked. This is the Egusi, they call it melon seed. I think it's similar to the melon that we have over here in US. So it's already blended into like a puree. Then I have a crayfish. This is like a shrimp dried raw. And I have something we call bitter leaf. Is like is kind of a herb, and kind of bitter, but it is washed and the bitterness has been reduced. Over here I have this is a dry fish. Dry fish is roasted, like just to add flavor to it. In my meat I have the chicken and turkey and a little bit of the one we call shaki also. So I will go ahead and show you guys the process in which I will use to prepare the soup. So here is my pot. This pot is a pot I use to boil my meat, and I still have some flavors in it, so I'm not going to wash it out, because anyway it's still going to be the same sauce that I need to use, so I'm not going to wash it out. Then I'm going to add water to it, and I will bring it to the boiling point. Okay guys, this point the water is boiling, and now I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it. The only reason why I'm adding salt is because I want the egusi to come out like having a little bit like a bead, but like a little mold. So that is my reason for adding the salt to the water. So at this point I'm going to be cutting the egusi in the water. You know, I'm pouring it in the water. There's no need of cutting it. I'm just pouring it in the water that is boiling. This is it. I hope you guys can see. At the end of the day, I'm going to rinse this, the leftover, I'm going to rinse it out with water and add it to the pot. So now I'm going to allow this. I'm not going to turn it, because the purpose why I'm making this soup in this through this method is just for me to have it in like a mold way. Okay, so now I'm going to cover it, and I will go ahead and reduce the heat. So now I'm going to look at the pot, and you can see it's already forming the seed, the mold that I really want. This is the Egusi. So now that it has, it's looking like the texture that I really want. This is what I want. I don't want it to have too much of seed. So now that I have the texture that I want it to look like, I'm going to add my palm oil. This is my palm oil. I'm going to add a little bit, because actually I don't want to use too much of oil. So usually I used to fry my But this method, I'm just going to add a little bit of palm oil. And this is it. This is just enough. And I'm mixing everything together. With this method, you don't really need much oil. Don't forget that this palm oil at times causes cholesterol in people. So when you use a little bit, I usually use a little bit because I'm not frying it. Okay, so at the end of the day, it's going to come out the way I actually want it to look like. If you want to add more oil, it depends on you, but I don't want it to look too oily. So I'm going to allow it to cook for a while. It's covered and give it like another 5 minutes. Alright. Yeah, now the palm oil in it is kind of cooked. So this is the water that I washed out from the bowl of the egusi. This is the water I washed out from the bowl of the egusi. So I'm going to pour it in. So I'm going to cover it and let it boil. Oh yeah, just look at this. I'm going to reduce the heat. So now I'm going to add the shrimp to it and adding the fish. I just need the fish for the flavor, just to add the flavor into the soup because that is not a lot of fish and the fish. At this point, I'm going to add the meat. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add the meat to the soup. And so I'm just adding the meat. So I have to mix and mix very well so that the sauce can get into every part of the meat. So I will allow you to soak in for a couple of minutes. I wouldn't know if it's 10 or less than that, but I will allow the meat to soak into the soup before I come back to add the egusi the bitter leaf. So I'll go ahead and cover one time. Oh yes, look at this. Wow. This is good. Oh my God. Did you just see this? So I'm going to add a little bit of chicken stock because I don't want it to be so watery. I don't want the soup to be too watery. Now it's time for me to add the garlic. This is the icing. This is the icing of the soup. I like to taste the bitterness. Unfortunately, I have just a little bit of bitter leaf, but it's okay, it's fresh. I just need it to be bitter. So the next thing I'm going to add, I'm just going to add a little bit of chicken bouillon, and I'm going to add spinach, just to make it a little bit green. And I have to turn around. At this point, I don't want this spinach to overcook. I don't want it to overcook. So I'm going to turn off the stove and allow the soup to simmer. Just gonna allow it to simmer, and that is it. My soup is ready. Yes, the soup is ready. Guys, I just want to say thank you all for coming along with me. Please, if you have not subscribed to me, try and subscribe. Be among my family. And when you look at my cooking and you like it, do not hesitate to hit the like button and share the video, the cooking, among your friends, among your family members. This soup, you can use it to eat what we call a pounded yam or any kind of swallow. You know, those of us that came from Africa understand what I'm talking about. Also, you can use it to eat rice. I use it to eat rice, and I have seen people that have used it to eat rice as well. Some you can as well just eat it like this, or with yam, or just any way you want to. So guys, thank you so much. Sit still and enjoy. Also, like I said, hit the like button for me, on your notification bell, so that whenever